Hello friends, we are here today to discuss one content creation tool, that is GravityWrite AI tool. Just type GravityWrite in Google Chrome and then click on the link. So just click on login to sign in. You can sign in with your email ID. Then just select your email ID and you can just sign in. So this is one topmost AI tool by which we can create any content. So here we can see lot of tools are there. By using these tools you can create any content. So friends, we can say this AI tool is a one stop solution. So because of its generation of content, so it can generate content for anything. So blog, YouTube, social media post, emailing, education, business, so next coding. So many tools are there. So whatever tools we are observing on left side, so same will be there on right side. So these options. So by accessing these tools we can go for the content creation. So you can select anything. I am selecting here YouTube script creator. Here just you can type your outline of idea. So here I am typing Lumenfy AI tool. So just it generates one script for Lumenfy AI tool video creation. Whenever we are clicking on content create, just it is creating total scripts. So from intro to outro. So how to make a video on Lumenfy AI tool. So this content you can use for your video creation. So like this you can create any video script just by typing your topic name. So after that you can create a description and tags also. So for the creation of description and tags, just you need a script of the topic. So before I generated one script, so that is regarding Lumenfy AI tool. So I'm went back to history and I'm selecting total script and copying it and I'm pasting here. So first I'm creating title and thumbnails. So for that also it needs text. So I pasted. After pasting the text, just by clicking on title and thumbnail generation proceed option, you will get different titles. So you may use any one of these title for your YouTube video. In the same way it generates the thumbnail ideas. Below we have, so you may use these thumbnail ideas for your thumbnail for YouTube video. So in the same way we can generate the description and tags, hashtags also. So for this also you need to type, just you need to paste the total script, and whenever you have clicked on the proceed option, so it generates the title and something. So here we will get the description of the video and tags, video tags and hashtags. So you can use these hashtags in your video. So it is very easy way to upload your YouTube video and also to create a YouTube video. So it is very helpful tool who are very beginners and also who are experts, to save your time. So to save your time, so you may use this AI tool. So next we are seeing so some educational tools here. So it will generate the lesson plan. So some teachers and faculty, if you need to generate a lesson plan, just enter so desired details like graduation and subject name. So next, what topic your lesson. So after giving these details, whenever you have clicked on that, so it will give the total lesson plan. So what items should cover in that lesson and what assessments tools to conduct on the students, so everything it will generate. So in the same way, so for the professors, faculty, and so teachers, it will generate the it will design the curriculum. So you need to enter the domain. So engineering and technology I have entered, and so what subject, so on which subject you need to get so this curriculum design you need to enter, and for how many years it will. So whenever you have clicked on that, just it will provide total curriculum design. So friends, like this you can create any content, so for education, business, social media, so like that. So this tool can create 20,000 words free. So you need to take upgraded version for unlimited content creation. So it is very helpful tool, so for who are beginners and experts to create a content. So thank you friends, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share. So thank you.